Okay, so here is how to put a picture from the internet onto your project. I'm here in lesson 10. All right, so if I click the animation, I want a new animation and I'm going to hit upload image. But first I have to get my image onto my computer. And I'm going to go to Creative Commons. I want a picture of a dog. Let's try this again. Here we go. All right, go to my search and I'm going to search dog. There's all kinds. I like this dog with the awesome hat. Credit the creator, non-commercial uses only. Okay, I think we're good. Can use this one. So I'm going to save the image as, I'm going to call this cool dog. I'm going to save it. All right, so now I'm going to go back to my code.org. I'm going to upload an image and I'm going to upload cool dog. Now, the problem is that right now it is too big. Code.org doesn't like it. It says we don't want to give you that much memory. So what I need to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to find my cool dog picture, wherever it may be. Where did it go? Did it not download? Oh, let me find it down here. Called the cool dog, right? There it is. Okay. So I find my picture that I downloaded. I'm going to right click it and hit resize. And if you have a Chromebook, you can use two fingers. Now, resizing it might look a little different on your computer, but you have to make it smaller somehow. So I'm going to, first of all, instead of 1,000, I'm going to change this down to like 200. And this changed automatically for me. And I'm going to make it medium quality. All right. And let's see if this is enough. And I'm going to rename it Cool Dog A1. And I'm going to take a quick peek and make sure it seems smaller. 0.7. I might need to make it even smaller than that. See, it did not catch for some reason. Oh no, it's because I'm in the original one. So, I'm going to find my cool dog 1. And I'm going to make sure it's kind of a small, you see how much smaller it is? All right, now we are ready. So I'm going to take my animation and I'm going to upload it, Cool Dog 1, because there it is. Now it's a little pixelated, but that doesn't matter because it's going to be so small on it. And now I go back to my code and I'm going to create a sprite and I'm going to call it Cool Dog. And then I want to make the animation the right one. Boop. And then I have to draw the sprite. There it is. Now, sometimes you're like, well, you know what? I want to get rid of, like, I don't want to be a square. I just want the dog. So I did make another video on how to get rid of this other stuff. So it's just a dog and not just a square. If you want to keep the square, you can do that too. And just like before, I can move it around. If I want to put it up in the corner or down here, I just look at my X and Y coordinates and change it here. And I can move it to another part of my screen. I can even change the size. If I click the next one, this is the width. Let's say I want to make it smaller. Make it like, 75 pixels. There it is. I moved it, now it's smaller. All right, and the way to edit it, if I wanted to crop it, pretty easy. I can just I hit crop. No, hold on. I can hit rectangle selection, kind of like highlight it, and then I hit this crop. There it is. All right. So that's how you do it. And now I have a picture in here. I can make it really big and make it the background or whatever. And I can mess with it to make it transparent. There's another video with those instructions. Or you can just save it like this. All right, so that is how you get a picture off of the internet and into your project. The hardest thing is sizing the picture. It just has to be small. So you have to figure out how to resize it on your computer. Usually right-clicking will give you some good options. Okay, hope that helps.